How to fix Fallout 4 not launching issue on Epic Games Launcher. 1. Check system compatibility. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Verify Fallout 4 game files in Epic Games Launcher. Like this. 3. Run Epic Games Launcher. As an admin 4. Update graphics drivers. Using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Modify DNS settings, use different DNS server IP. 6. Backup then delete Epic Games Launcher web cache file, webcake_4430 @localapp.a% /Epic Games Launcher /saved. 7. Troubleshoot in Windows clean boot state. 8. Uninstall then reinstall Epic Games Launcher.